If you like fish and wildlife content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. On April 17th, 2025, Jason Wayne Hunter was out on the Santa Fe River when a boat approached him with the bow trimmed way up. A woman on the boat asked him how to get back to the boat ramp and was visibly scared. Shortly after, Hunter observed the man, later identified as a 66-year-old named Stanley Budziak, hitting his wife. Hunter confronted the man, and another boater named Sean joined the effort. While Hunter kept Stanley distracted, Sean cut his fuel line so he could not flee. Officers with the Suwannee County Sheriff's Office responded to the 911 call.
There's going to be other subjects that have pulled up on boats. There'll be multiple subjects in altercation with one suspect trying to get the female off the boat. It's been advised to them to disengage, that law enforcement is on scene. However, they're not listening. They're saying that they need to get the female subject safe as he keeps attacking her.
10-4.
20 to Papa 223. Stop where you were just at. They said that you passed where they were.
Is there somebody out here on a boat?
What?
Is there somebody out here on a boat?
I hear an airboat. I hear an airboat over here.
You can walk down my wall. Pete, down there.
As the officers approached the dock, an off-duty sheriff brought his vessel over to assist.
Is that them on the boat right there? Pete, you want to get on the boat to go there?
Ella, we'll get on. They'll get on. I will. Just get on there.
Oh, geez.
SWC advised they have nobody in the area. The complainant stated that they cut the gas line to that subject's boat. It does come back to a Stanley Budziak out of Live Oak, Correction Lake City.
I got you, ma'am. You could, lady, grab this lady. I'll get her. I got you guys right here.
Hey, buddy, what's going on?
What the f is with you?
I got video there.
Excuse me?
17,
Excuse me?
Why are you here?
Why are we here?
Yeah.
We got told that you were beating on your wife. What's going on?
Seriously.
I got you.
That's my wife.
Okay, I understand it's your wife.
Ma'am, come to me. Look at me.
I ain't put a hand on her.
You didn't?
Ever.
Okay.
No.
You have video of it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Got everything.
Okay.
I got you. Okay? Are you okay?
All right.
Okay. You're all right.
I'm gonna fuck that guy up.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
You ain't doing shit.
Bro, listen to me.
I'm gonna.
Lady, grab her. Lady, grab her.
I'm gonna.
Lady, please.
Hey.
Now put your hand on that. Get your. No, he ain't going over. He ain't going over. I got his leg. I got his leg. There he is. There you go, big boy.
Got one.
This other way. All right, we got him rolled. Give me a hand. There he's done. There you go.
Hey, give me a set of cuffs. Give me a set of cuffs.
Hey, bend his legs. Come up. That way. We got him in. Thank you, guys. Stand up, bud.
All right.
I got you. I'm coming with you.
trying to keep the boat here so we don't flip them in the water.
Damn, that's worse than a bass.
Flip him over.
Help his head.
We'll just stand there and watch.
Come on, guys.
He'll off his neck.
Do you guys have a boss? 'Cause I'm gonna f***ing sue you.
Okay.
Do you guys have a f***ing boss? You f***ing piece of shit. 'Cause I'm gonna sue you. You f***ing piece of shit.
Okay.
I'm gonna
You
sue
want to drive us back over?
I'm gonna sue
Okay,
you.
now you got us all on law enforcement officer.
Keep him in the bottom of
I'm
the
gonna
boat. If he
sue.
falls out, he'll
I'm gonna sue. I'm gonna sue.
sit down on him.
I'm a disabled. Dad, I'm a disabled.
Papa 157, Suwannee.
I'm gonna
Put
sue
Zach
you.
Clark on the call. He's 10-12 with us in a boat.
I see your faces. You f***ing piece of
FWC
Hey,
is
you.
requesting if y'all
You.
don't need them to
I
respond.
see your f***ing face. I see your face. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. I am going to sue you. I see your
117 to the
face.
units on scene.
I see your
One of y'all
face.
needs to turn your radio down because all you
I
can
see
hear is
your face.
the other feedback on the radio.
gonna
It's not
sue
that
you.
you low volume, you're drowning
And
each
you.
other out.
I see your face too. You f***er.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna sue you.
Run that fucking mouth, piece of shit.
Yeah, you.
I'm your
I'm
motherfucking
a
man.
disabled.
Hey, me.
vet.
Me, motherfucker.
Yeah,
I'm the one
cocksucker.
that fucking knocked you
I'm
out.
coming
Piece of
after you. You f***er. I'm
Bleed
coming
on my
after
fucking
you.
boat. Bleed on my motherfucking boat.
That's my motherfucking wife.
Yep.
I've been
Wife's our
with her
property, motherfucker.
you
They're people.
sucker. You fucking c***.
We need to get that boat back over.
Me and my wife, we've been happily married for years. I don't know what the f- you guys are coming around with. But I tell you what, motherfucker, I am gonna sue you guys. I'm gonna sue you good. Believe that. You hear me?
I hear
I'm
you.
gonna sue you.
My name is Deputy Marola. We're from Suwannee County Sheriff's Office. You're under arrest at this time.
Just make sure that is all on the paperwork because I am going to get you good.
You got add assault to a law enforcement officer. You tried to kick me. Okay. Now you have two choices, okay? You can walk peacefully or we're gonna have to drag you, okay? It's just easier if you walk. If you don't walk, you're gonna get another charge, I'm sure.
You ready, Pete?
Lift them up.
Stand up.
Stand up. Stand up.
Stand up.
Step up.
out.
Don't make us make you get out.
Grab that one right there from Pete. Step up here.
Gotta drag him.
Idiot. Damn moron.
Drag him. He's not gonna go.
You gonna walk or do we gotta drag you? You gonna walk or do we have to drag you?
I can pull up the vehicle closer.
Sit up for a minute. Sit up.
I know, they're not double locked, that's why.
They're hurting me. They're hurting me.
They're not hurting you.
Ivania, they're hurting me. Ivania, they're hurting me.
Hey, don't even look at her.
Ivania, they're hurting me.
Turn around and look the other way.
Ivania, they're hurting me.
Hey, who has the video?
We got it. They're hurting
Can you send it to my phone?
Ivania, they're hurting me.
One
They're hurting me.
17 Robert, something I need to go ahead with your.
Excuse me.
You're fine. You're fine. Take your time.
Adrenaline dump.
Ivania, they're cutting my arm.
Hey,
Ivania, they're cutting my
I'm
arm.
gonna walk her up. Okay, come on with me.
Thank you, guys.
They're cutting my arm.
I'm handicapped. I can't.
You're fine. I'm just gonna hold on to you so you don't fall. Okay?
Thank you.
I'm not gonna let you fall.
I know. I trust you.
I'm just holding you to make sure you don't come and be able to hold you up. Okay?
Sorry.
Listen, we have to put him in this car. All I want you to do is sit right here.
Okay.
You'll lean up against this vehicle until
I
EMS
will.
gets here.
I will.
Okay? But don't worry, he's not going to hurt you because we have him in handcuffs. Okay?
Come on. Now listen, I'm fixing to stand you up. Hey,
I hope I remember you.
Listen to what he's saying.
I'm fixing to stand you up and you're going to walk or we're going to drag you to that car.
Drag me, boy.
Then that's what the f*** it'll
That's
be.
what I'm
Right, welcome to Suwannee County.
But it ain't going to be like you want it.
I'm a disabled vet, boy.
Well, stand your ass up.
I'm a disabled vet. You're gonna
Yeah,
pay
that's
the
right.
price. Separate.
Okay,
I
man.
want your name.
I got you.
I want
Let's
your
go, big
name.
boy.
Hey, you hear me? I want your name. Tell me.
John Wayne. What's your name?
Tell me. What are you? You can't hear.
Yeah. I have a
Hang
hand.
on, just a minute. Sit him down. Sit him down.
Hey! Hey!
What's your name? I want to know what your name is.
Don't you kick another soul.
I want to know what his name is. Tell me your name.
I done told you my name is dumb.
I want to know your name. Tell me.
So Joe from Kokomo.
Tell me
3 counts
your
battery on
real
Leo.
name. Tell me your real name. You ain't got no guts.
You quit shitting yourself. You might be a grown man.
You better watch your name.
My name's Jay Anderson. You gonna be a mother thing to me.
What?
You heard me.
No, tell me.
What's going on with him now?
Kicking 3 times.
Chappelle.
Dave Chappelle.
That's my name, Dave Chappelle.
Chappelle sounds like a doctor.
Ready?
Yep. By y'all, big boy.
Get your big pad. You need to get everybody's name here, who witnessed what, who helped us carry, all that stuff. Get EMS's information, and we need to get her wallet so we can get this information. Right here. Right
On
here.
paper.
It'll be on paper.
I want everything.
First,
Feet first.
on
Feet
paper.
first. He's double locked. He's all right. He's all right. Do me a favor, can you all just stick right here for a second?
Yeah.
He needs to get all your information and who helped carry you too.
Yeah.
I know you. I know you.
Yes.
So we're gonna hit him with resisting.
Yeah,
With
absolutely.
resisting with.
With, for sure, yeah.
And then he didn't kick me in the, when he got in the boat. He tried to kick me, so I'm gonna hit him. I'm gonna hit him with assault
This other guy,
because he was already restrained when I had him.
yeah, something, he pulled something out of it.
And then battery, and then I think he kicked.
pulled
Who did he kick one of you guys when you were walking?
Yeah,
Who did he
three of
kick?
He kicked him 3 times.
But then we're gonna
Kicked him
get
3
we'll
times.
hit
He
him with
got
battery
He
again.
got Gilbert for sure.
One time.
Don't worry about me, man. I'm not organized. I got him
That's
back.
what I'm going resisting with.
I got my licks back in. I'm good.
Okay, I was gonna say, find out who has her purse so we can get her information properly. Her purse.
All the way there.
And she said somebody down here
Where-
had her purse.
Do you know where your wallet with your ID? Is it down here?
Yum.
Okay, come on, let's go get it. Let me get it so we know who you are.
I gotta take my time.
You're fine. I'll hold you again. Come on.
Okay, that's what I
Come.
need. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I get that purse?
Where on the probation are you going to meet me
They're
at?
trying to send. The service is terrible and they're really long, so it's.
Here, hold on to this for 1 second. Did anybody else here get hit or kicked by him that wants to pursue charges?
Yeah, right here. He was with me at the beginning. and
Him?
all. Yes, sir.
Okay.
And he pulled something on me. I don't know if it was a knife or what it was when I tried to originally grab her.
Uh-huh.
It's in his boat. But he originally pulled something on me.
Okay.
And I had to step back because he was trying to get.
12/12/1989.
Okay, so do you want to pursue charges on that too?
Hell yeah.
Okay.
I'll
get him a...
Are you the owner of the restaurant here? All right, sorry, had to drive on there. Just want to make sure it was okay. That one, we're on there. I have my vehicle parked there for obvious reasons, trying to drag him down the thing there.
Oh, yeah.
No
We just.
No problem. Mind if I get your information real quick? Sure. What's your first name? Again, I apologize. I was going to talk to you. I was just in a dang hurry.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, we just had no idea what was happening all of a sudden.
I'm pretty sure. Did you figure it out, or?
We put pieces together.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But alrighty, I'll come back to y'all if I need any more information. This is all I needed, just to make sure, let you know that, hey, sorry we got on your property, but we needed to kind
We
of.
needed a way to get off the water.
Yeah.
And you are
Deputy Allen.
Alan.
Yes, ma'am. If you like a card, I can get my name and number on it if you need. Yes, ma'am. I will be right back.
Witness.
You want to put a witness? That's
I don't want
fine.
to be victim. Just witness. Yeah, I don't want
That's
to be
fine. That's fine.
I saw it and I helped.
No, I got you.
Witness. A witness can get choked out.
No, I got you.
Say it was me. I wish I could. I want to grab his balls. So bad.
I grabbed his arm and he started going away. And I'm like looking at the boat. I'm like, he's gonna pull me in the water.
And he was trying
with
to
my
roll
gear
over.
on. And I'm like,
do that. I wasn't going to let go.
and you jumped. I'm like, well, he's already on the boat now.
Well, I knew. Listen, I've been here. I've done that. I've on the boat before, so I knew the hesitation. I'm like, I don't have that. I'll go swimming with him.
I said, well, as that go, I go. Time to roll, baby.
Yeah, I just know that I'm gonna be like, you know,
The problem was
I'm gonna be like a brick. I'm not gonna float with all that on.
Get it.
We
I
respect.
was like,
I wrestle with dudes with that
No, I
stuff
got you,
on.
I got you. I appreciate it.
That's why I went on it.
It's a lot easier not wearing it.
Thank you, bud.
Thank y'all so much.
Appreciate your help, brother.
Was it you or the other gentleman that advised that there was damage done to the boat?
It was me.
Okay, I just wanted to clarify that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I saw the damage, so I wanted to report it.
After the incident, Sean and Hunter did an interview with a local news station. This is what they had to say.
She might have been 80 pounds. He was 200 and plus pounds, dropping 12 to 9 elbows in her head. I'd rather him try to do it on me than that poor lady.
Wrong county, wrong people. You picked the wrong place to do that because we don't put up with that. That's just one of those things that's not going to happen here.
I wanted to make sure she took no more blows. I mean, whether that involved me taking shots, whatever he wanted to do, we can do it. As long as it's with me, not her. And for everyone calling me a hero, I was brought up right, and I got a good family.
Be sure to check out Hunter on Instagram. We have a link in the description below. In the end, Stanley was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, simple battery associated with domestic violence, simple assault on an officer, resisting an officer with violence, battery on a detention facility employee with bodily fluids, aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without the intent to kill, and criminal mischief for $1,000 or more of property damage. He apparently shit himself during the interaction, and his case remains ongoing. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.